Right, so just a quick video of a knife I've been sent from Tacticalknives.co.uk. It's a Crkt Pilar. I'll put the price up now and a picture of it on the website. Right, so yeah, so I've been sent this to do a review on, so we'll have a look. I've already had a quick look. Nice little knife. So I'll just hold it in my hands, you can see. It's quite small, nice little compact knife. Feels really good quality. I don't know if it tells you what steel it is or whatever. Might have to look on the website. I don't say, but it may say on the blade, but whether that's your thing. It says 5311 on there, whereas metal is metal to me, so it don't really make much difference. But yeah, there it is, little knife. The blade is, the sharp part of the blade is 2 inches long. Overall length is about 6 inches long. Nice little knife. It's got quite a fat blade, about 4mm thick. The handle's just over 11mm. Probably small enough to go in a large, if you took the belt clip off, small enough to go on a large survival tin or something. Probably make a good skinning knife, or for carving trap triggers or whatever. We'll give it a little test on some wood. Got a couple of bits. That's just an old piece of pine, and that's a seasoned, I'm not sure what that is, but it's both of them are seasoned. So I'll just give it a go. Try to cut some notches like I would for a trap trigger. If you're allowed to carry locking knives every day, this would make a lovely kind of EDC knife. Cut that notch lovely. Lovely sharp knife straight out of the box. Cut that right as well. Yeah, nice little knife. You can change your belt clip from top to bottom, liner lock, one hand opening. I think that would make a good little knife, everyday carry, if you're allowed to carry locking knives. If not, still a nice knife to buy if you've got an excuse to carry a locking knife. That would go well in a little survival tin or in some sort of kit. Nice and slim, smooth but good grip because of this part. This bit here and here creates a nice good grip in your hand, in my opinion. If that had been non-locking, that would have been absolutely brilliant. I would have probably carried that every single day. Nice little knife. It seems to work well on It's even seasoned wood. I reckon if that had been green wood, that would have cut through that like nothing. So, CRKT Columbia River Knife and Tool Pilar. It does, I don't know if you can see that, what it says on the blade. Yeah, that seems like a strong little knife in my opinion. Fat blade. Everything looks really good quality on it as well. Right, I'll put a link up to that on the description and whatever else. So that's from Tacticalknives.co.uk. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.